Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add articles in your Google Scholar profile. So if you open a Google Scholar website and you can see over here right hand side you have a profile, and you can go to your profile by clicking on this My Profile option, and that will take you to your profile on Google Scholar. Now you can click on this here to sort your articles in ascending order. So how you can add it manually? To add any article manually, what you can do is click on this plus icon over here and click on this add articles. There is an option of add articles manually. It means that you will input all the articles details one by one, but we are not going to see this right now. We want to add the articles by my own. So by yourself you can add your article which is not listed in the Google profile of your, let's say, after publishing of 1 or 2 weeks. So you can do it by yourself also. Click on this plus icon, click on add article and write your name over here, and then click on search icon. So as you can see, so you will see some of the articles which you have authored in your profile. You will see here. So let's say I want to add this article. I will check this box and then click on this check icon in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. That's how to add article in your Google Scholar profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.